At VYCC, it's our mission to take action and build community by working and learning together with the land. We follow this mission by offering paid positions to young people who complete impactful service projects outdoors. We're really excited to announce the new Timber Framing Pre-Apprenticeship program. This is a pilot program that will offer specialized training to folks in carpentry and traditional building skills. It will also prepare people for their career in the building trades. Carpentry and historical preservation has long been a part of the work that VYCC does, and we're just excited to take this next step. Without further ado, I'll let Elliot from Building Heritage, as well as a VYCC Build alum, explain more.
To have this craft that is, put tools in the hands of young people and show them how to build something that's right there in front of their eyes that will make the world a better place, that's a good use of resources, that provides shelter, provides community, and shows them that there is something to the world that's bigger than themselves, I think is just incredibly meaningful and incredibly important for this moment in time, and truly feels like the work that we should be doing.
This experience was valuable to me. It was a chance to work with my hands and be a part of something that was bigger than myself.
Yeah.
I didn't necessarily know it at the time, but I really needed work that I could feel good about, and the Corps gave that, provided that opportunity for me. I gained valuable skills. I gained confidence in myself. I feel like I became more employable in the future, and I got to reconnect with my own humanity and culture, learning about historic building tradition.
If you're interested in the pre-apprenticeship, I encourage you to visit vycc.org, read the full position description, and apply today.